As promised, I'm back, guys. I'm going to give you a holiday rundown on all the holidays that are celebrated on January the 18th. So, guys, we're going to be looking into, of course, the internet right here. I have my laptop here. I'm going to be popping into the internet, double checking my dates, and I'm looking into my website. But we're going to be comparing it with the actual holiday calendars that we have right here and the holiday calendars, the desktop calendars that you can get as well that are online right here. So let's take a look, okay? All right, guys, the year is 2020, but most of these holidays we're going to be talking about today are actually set holidays, which means most of these are going to be observed every single year on this very day. All right, so we're looking at a calendar right here, and January the 18th, it says it's Thesaurus Day. January the 18th, Thesaurus Day. In this holiday calendar right here. As you know, guys, holiday calendars are a lot different than wall calendars. They list in illustration every single holiday that is celebrated on one of the days, right? So, we're going to look at this calendar right here. It is also using Thesaurus Day as their pick. Okay. This calendar here is using National Gourmet Coffee Day as their illustration pick for that day. Now, these are holidays that are celebrated on January the 18th. Okay, guys, now let's have a little bit of fun and let's go in here and look at our desktop calendars. First off, we're going to look at Life's Hacks 2020 calendar. Life's Hacks 2020 calendar. Let's go to the 18th. This is a desktop calendar called Life's Hacks. These are fun, okay? Now, let's see what it has to say for us today. Let's see, Life's Hacks. Car starting to overheat? Turn on the heater. Cars heat the interior with heat from the engine, so this will actually pull the heat away. Is that true? All you mechanics and car people out there, is that true? Okay. Let's look at the Daily Extra. The top Google searches from 10 years ago were, so this would have been 2010, the celebrities most searched for on Google were Justin Bieber, Katy Perry, Selena Gomez, Kim Kardashian, Eminem. How about that, guys? I searched some of those myself back then. All right, guys, let's look at OMG Facts. This is another desktop calendar that's a fun little calendar to look at. OMG Facts for January the 18th says, you burn more calories sleeping than watching television. I think I've heard that already before. You think it's true? All right. Let's look at the National Day calendar, where we celebrate every day. Absolutely, we celebrate every day. All right, let's hop in here. Let's find January the 18th. Guys, did you watch my video from yesterday? Yesterday was Bootleggers Day. Okay, everybody, January the 18th. Here we go. Here's our list for celebrating every day. Looks like it's Michigan Day, Peking Duck Day, that's the food holiday. Thesaurus Day, that's exactly what this calendar said. And Winnie the Pooh Day. Now, I do know there are a lot of Winnie the Pooh parties that are popular on this day that go on, especially, a children's party. They'll have a Winnie the Pooh party. I have had people write me in and tell me about that. All right, let's see if it gives us any extra information. Let's see. Now it is going to give us a little bit of facts for Winnie the Pooh. So let's see. The author of Winnie the Pooh, A.A., how do you say his last name? M-I-L-N-E, Milne? Okay. Brought this adorable honey-loving bear to life in 1926. This creator created the fictional bear after visiting a black bear named Winnie at the London Zoo during World War I with his son Christopher. Milne, if that's how you say it, and Christopher visited the bear for some time that day. Christopher was fascinated with the bear and believed, despite the size, Winnie was cuddly and lovable. It was shortly after that visit to the zoo that the author began to create stories about a bear named Winnie the Pooh. Since then, the stories have been translated into over 50 languages and remain popular today. So guys, that means that Winnie the Pooh Day is not just the celebration of the character Winnie the Pooh, but it also celebrates the birthday of the creator as well. What a popular cartoon, Winnie the Pooh. What great stories that was, right? And it continues now. All right, guys, now we on the internet here, it is Royal Thai Armed Forces Day in Thailand, and it's the Week of Prayer for Christian Unity. Now that is January 18th through the 25th. The Week of Prayer for Christian Unity is an international Christian observance kept annually between Ascension and Pentecost in the Southern Hemisphere and between January 18th and 25th in the Northern Hemisphere. It is an octave, guys. That means it's an observance that lasts 8 days. How about that? Last up, guys, on our holiday rundown for January the 18th, we're going to look into our devotional calendar, and we're going to end it with a devotion for January the 18th. Now, Jabez called on the Lord of Israel, saying, "Oh, that you would bless me indeed and enlarge my border, and that your hand might be with me, and that you would keep me from harm, that it may not pain me." And God granted him what he requested. 1 Chronicles 4:10. All right, guys, there you go. There is your rundown. Now, for a heads up for tomorrow, let's see. It looks like it's going to be popcorn day, guys. That's what I'm catching by a glance over at the calendar. So, if you go out and about this weekend, make sure you go get your popcorn to celebrate tomorrow. And don't forget, too, that it's also National Soup Month, and those soup suppers are still going strong. Okay, guys, enjoy the holidays. Happy day, happy birthday for all those celebrating a birthday today, and God bless. We'll catch you on the next video.